The ground restored through earth consolidation periodically undergoes dissolution tests based on 26 environmental standards for soil contamination, plate-bearing tests, permeability tests, and specific gravity measurements in order to ensure quality control based on the allowed conditions. Based on 5-point equal mixture method, the core of laid earth is collected at 5 locations to conduct dissolution tests based on 26 environmental standards for soil contamination and to measure the specific gravity of the earth. The collected core is analyzed using the method stipulated in the Soil Contamination Countermeasures Act. The core of laid earth is smashed using a hammer and a smashing machine to break it into a powder whose particle size is 2 millimeters or less. 5 powdered cores are equally measured to produce 1 sample. Part of this part of the consolidated earth is sampled, and a volume of pure water 10 times that of the sample is added to it. The water and the sample are mixed while shaking for 6 hours. Doing this simulates reactions to rainwater and other phenomena that occur in the laid earth used in the facilities. The mixture is also filtered using a centrifuge and a 0.45 micrometer filter to remove solid matter. The safety of the laid earth is confirmed by analyzing this filtered water for 26 kinds of substances, such as lead, arsenic, and agricultural chemicals, as stipulated in the Soil Contamination Countermeasures Acts. The results of analysis certify that the ground restored using the Fuji-style laid earth consolidation method is as safe as the ordinary land where we live. The plate-bearing test assess the supportive strength of the ground by putting a load directly on the ground and measuring changes such as the amount of its subsidence. The results of such tests prove that Fuji-style ground is bedrock-like, enabling heavy buildings such as 10-story ferro-concrete condominiums to be built directly on it without using piles or other supporters. In the permeability test, the permeability of the ground is measured by gauging the decrease in water placed in a cylinder on the ground. These tests have produced results showing that the ground does not allow rainwater or similar fluids to permeate it. The specific gravity of laid earth is measured using the core of laid earth employed for dissolution tests. After the volume of the earth is measured, its weight is gauged to seek its specific gravity. The Fuji-style sample preparation system is designed to determine whether new main and fly ash containing hazardous substances can be accepted as raw materials according to Fuji standards by conducting leaching tests based on the JIS K0058-1, using the company's patented proprietary equipment such as 25-ton pressure devices. In these tests, pieces of earth consolidated in the same way as Fuji's restored ground are used as samples.